All right, so we're testing this thing again. This time we do have audio. We do have audio, yes. So we're going to do this. Oh, testing one, two, three. Still connected. So we sit down right about here. Sit down about right here. The mic is here, so out of the shot, pointed at my mouth. And I got the headsets on so I can hear. So I want to test this thing. It's at 7. That's 10. Okay. All right. So it's at 10. And we can dial it down. Okay. So we're at 10 right now. Testing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we could be talking. I have a tendency to raise my voice, peak. I don't want it to peak out on me. But I do want it. Matter of fact, I might just shift it like it's still, yeah, right in front of me. Right in front of me. There we go. We'll put it right in front of me, right in front of my mouth. So it's out of the shot down here, but, you know, you should be able to hear, just the subtleties in what I'm saying, because this thing is really intense, and I really want it to come across genuine. But I don't want to perform it. I want to talk it. So that's on 10. So let me turn it down some. I'm going to turn it down to 8. Okay, we're down to 8. I don't know if that makes a difference. We're down to 8. Don't know what that sounds like, but anyway, and we want to keep focusing on that lens and really, okay, so, and then we're going to go down to 6. Going down to 6, so we're down at 6 to see what 6 sounds like. And again, everything in the screen looks right as far as we're concerned in terms of the focus. If we move, it captures our focus. And we don't plan to do a whole lot of moving, but just in case. And if we, back up and come back in, we wanted to catch it. I don't know what's behind me, but that's okay. So I'm going to go down to 4. Test it at 4. See what this audio sounds like at 4. And again, we don't want to clip. 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 So at 4, I don't think we have to test any further. I hear it coming through the headsets. And so then I will take the headsets off. Once I'm clear that it's on, I don't think I want the headsets in the shot. So we're going to be talking about tongues as one issue. We want to talk about the concept of church. We're going to talk about, the concept of worship services and where that came from, that whole idea of worship service. That, again, is another idea that I tend to believe is unbiblical. It's not supported by Scripture. A worship service? Like, what is that? What is a worship service? And find me an example of it in the New Testament scriptures. What else do we want to touch on? Worship service, tongues. Some of these social issues. Also want to touch on separation of church and state, the LGBTQ agenda. There are a lot of things we want to touch on, talk about. All right, that's enough. That's enough.